Welcome back to Wisconsin. Oh, we are in the dog days of summer here for sure. It is hot here. I'm a dying. Been out here today trying to get the 612 back together. Let me get you caught back up on what we've been doing. I haven't been videoing nothing. I've been just trying to get something done. Dad got our new cast lever all machined up. We got that put back on. Obviously, we'll have to take it back off to paint it and whatnot later. I had taken the mag off last fall, and we brought that back down to my mag guy, Matt Scott, to look at it again because I was not quite confident that we had everything right. We were still thinking timing, specifically on the impulse, just wasn't right. So I brought it back to him, told him to take a look at it when he got a chance, which he did. To make a very long story short, yes, we had the wrong impulse parts on here. It's a wonder it ran at all, really. So he put the right combination of parts on there to get a, 25-degree impulse, because the manual calls for the engine should have a 26 degree, so a 25, that's pretty damn close. We can live with that. Hopefully that should work. So cross your fingers, that will solve all of our hard starting and whatever issues. So today I got that put back on. To do that, I had to take the governor back off and retime that to the engine, because of course it was a different impulse, so the tangs had to be in a different location. Got that all taken apart, got it all put back together. Gas line, everything put back on. I put gas in the tank because we drained that last year. I just filled up the radiator with water because of course we had that drained over the winter. I see I got a leak here I'm going to have to address here before that drips everywhere. We do have the casting for the correct water neck back now. All we have to do to it is drill the 2 holes in it, and that will be ready for paint, and then we can swap that out and get rid of all this, temporary pipe that I had rigged up there. We also have the new throttle control shift lever quadrant, whatever you want to call it, casting back here, steering column support. That's at home. No, it's not. It's here. I can show you. So we can get that fit, and we got to rework these control levers yet to make some new bushings, and then we can put the new casting on there. Probably won't do that until we paint it as well. Let me go show you that casting as long as I'm talking about it, because I don't think I've showed you that yet. If I have, it's been a while, and you probably don't remember. Maybe you do. Maybe you got a better memory than I do. So here's the casting. It is absolutely beautiful. Come out here in the sunlight where you can see it better. So David Dickmeyer, a friend of mine, that's restoring his industrial 612. It was a team effort. He got a number of these cast for me and him and a couple other people. That's what makes this whole progress a lot easier, when you work together as a team. I borrowed him mine original casting. He used that as the pattern. He was gracious enough to let me use his original casting, and the one that's actually on the tractor currently, just to get it functioning for last year's show season, because his was all torn down. He didn't need it at the time. And yeah, he got these cast. He machined them all up. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Dad made a new pin here the other day, so we got that much done. So yeah, that's something on our to-do list here. Basically, we're getting down to the last few little things, and then we'll get everything ready, and then we will do one more batch of green paint, and we will be done painting for this project then, which will be a very nice thing. I'll be happy about that. But I don't want to paint until I have everything ready, because there's a lot of little things. There's a few linkages. There's the hood. There's the radiator. We got to finish the fan shroud yet. So we got the hand crank, that water neck, and that casting. I think that's it for a few of the linkages here. And that'll be it for green paint. And then we can finally think about pinstriping. This whole thing has just gotten kind of drug out a lot longer than I thought it would be, but that's how these projects go. And I had to walk away for a little while. I kind of got burnt out on this because I spent so many hours to get it ready for Hutchinson last year to meet that deadline. And I kind of got burnt out on this project, if I'm going to be honest about it. So enough time has passed now all winter. I didn't really do a whole lot on it. Now that spring is here, or summer is here, we're back to show season, I'm excited to work on it again. So that makes the project more fun when you enjoy working on it. So I'm going to try cranking it up here and see what happens. I think Dad's going to come out here shortly, so if we do get it running and whatever, maybe he could play cameraman. So I will check back when I have some interesting progress. Cross your fingers. Ha! You'll never believe it. Two cranks, and it popped right off. I cannot believe that. So that was definitely all of our problems. We just had the wrong impulse parts on there. All that frustration we had, and it was a stupid impulse. Wow. Okay, well, mystery solved. It's a matter of fine-tuning it now here, but that was the problem for sure. I can't believe that. Big boom come outside. Oh no, there's a thunder boomer rolling in. All this work and I can't even get the tractors out now. It's probably gonna rain on us. Darn it. Well, let's see what it does here. Maybe it'll blow over. Cross your fingers. I want to get the tractors out. Oh, it finally starts like it's supposed to and I can't even play with it. Come on. 135 will fire up here, first time for the year. Oh, that's pretty good. 3 cranks. It hasn't run since last fall. That's pretty good. I think it's just about done raining here. The rain cloud's just about over us, so wait another minute or so and It shouldn't get too wet. And the sky's parted and the rain stopped and both tractors are running. It's a good day, I guess. Got the 612 out of the barn. I think we're going to bring this into town so we can work on it more conveniently in Dad's garage. Oh, he's waiting for me to stop the belt pulley. What is he studying? There. Otherwise you grind gears if the belt pulley's still spinning after you've been in neutral to put it in gears. Gonna run it around a little bit. Test it, make sure it's running good. If we get brave, we might turn it off, see if it starts back up easily. It should, but you know how that goes. We'll put the 2035 back in the barn. We'll run it around for a minute, but put that back away for now. I'm happy that started up good too, for cranks. Of course, this one usually does. As long as you don't flood it, this one starts up really good all the time. We just got to get a few hours on this machine. It's so new yet, you know, the thing's only ran for just a few hours, if that. So it's not even broke in yet. We didn't run it a whole lot last year because remember we had all those starting issues. So we brought it to Crosby, we brought it to Hutchinson, and that was Northern Aged Iron, and in the fall, hybrid, and that was it. Parked it for the year, and now we're back at it again. Nice. I'm happy. This thing's dirty. Could give it a bath and detailing. Years, winters worth of barn sandy dust on it. another little update on the 612 project. We have our new casting on the tractor here. We still got a lot of rework to do as far as making holes in the controls and linkages and everything, tightening everything up there. But at least we got the casting fit to the tractor now. Like I said, a lot of little adjusting to do, but any victory is a good victory at this point. There hasn't been a whole lot of progress on this tractor lately. I figured I'd show you that. Working on running the tractor a little bit since we had the new mag on, and I retimed things. I don't know if I told you that yet, but I think I got things pretty close to being timed right. One of these days, whenever I time or whatever, we gotta hook up the timing light and just check things, see how close we are. Seems to be pretty good though, because I'm within the adjusting advance and retard lever on the mag. I'm within that range now, so I think I have it timed to the tractor correctly. So yeah, just keep picking away at it. We hope to have the tractor at Baraboo go to Wisconsin this year. It's actually going to be a little over a couple of weeks from when I'm shooting this right now, so it still won't be done, but we're hoping to have it functioning and running reliably and starting reliably. So yeah, if we are there and you see us, be sure to say hi. And if we aren't there, I apologize. We'll see. We'll hope to make it. We'll see what the schedule brings. All right, talk to you guys later.